Well, welcome to Fire Station number 1. We're having the open house here at the Lacey Road Firehouse. The reason we have the open house here, even though this is the oldest of our 3 stations, is the fact that fire truck rides are still very much requested, and it's become a tradition here in the city of Fitchburg. We have people who say that they've ridden the fire trucks when they were kids, and now they're bringing their kids to the fire station. So that's a pretty cool tradition, and this is probably the safest place to have those rides take place. There's a number of things that we're trying to do with the open house. Not only is this the time of year where we talk about fire prevention, fire safety, it's held on the same week as October 9th, the anniversary of the Great Chicago Fire. And we want to make sure that people are aware of the things that they can do in their own homes to prevent fire and hopefully create a fire-safe environment. They'll get to see demonstrations, not only the fire truck rides, but they'll also be able to crawl low under smoke, reinforce some of those concepts that they will need to do in the event that there is a fire in their home. Then we have promotional material that also share some of those same fire safety concepts. One of the best things that they can do is they can interact with firefighters here, ask questions, make sure that we answer those questions in a way that addresses the overall need for their fire-safe homes. We have a number of other different agencies here. Swim West is here to talk about swim safety. We have Safe Kids here talking about injury prevention and pediatric risk reduction. So a lot of things that have happened, not only with our partnerships, but with our department specifically, that can help get that message out. This has always been one of my favorite times of year. I remember going to my local fire department as a kid. I mean, it's one of the things that sort of created the interest from the beginning. I mean, I'm one of the lucky ones who had an idea what he wanted to do since he was 5. I hope I'm capturing some of those kids here today. It's something to be able to reach out, generate some interest, and then follow that through as they grow up to the point where, you know, our future firefighters are here today. And the way that they get their first glimpse of what a fire department is all about is the questions they ask of our firefighters. One thing that we're very grateful for is the fact that we have some really good community partners, Hy-Vee, Tri-North. We have Badger Popcorn who's helped us out. A lot of different people stepping up to help us reach out to the community and bring fire safety forward.